food friends. This is Erica, the other half of the duo. We got the summertime cucumber salad, and for this recipe you could use 2 cucumbers, but I used 1. And we're gonna peel and slice, and it should look like this in the bowl. For our ingredients, we have apple cider vinegar. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of that. I'm gonna pour it in a small bowl, and then we're gonna use a 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. You don't have to use salt for this because we got it in the soy sauce. And we're gonna use a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of sesame seed oil, and I use Korean chili flakes. You don't have to use it. If you have red pepper flakes, that'll be just fine. And also, if you wanted to add another vegetable to it, it's a suggestion to put green onions in it, but I didn't have it on deck, so this way is just fine. And we're gonna mix it in a small bowl. Once we got the stuff mixed, we're gonna pour it in the cucumbers. Again, this recipe is super easy and super fast. It's nothing complex. The fun part begins. We're gonna shake it. And once you shake it good, it should come out looking like this. There you have it. The summertime cucumber salad. You see how easy that was? So only thing you got to do now is put it on a plate or put it in a bowl. In my case, I just had to put it in my little small bowl. And guys, if you rock with us, please subscribe to the channel and comment so we can know, if you like the content we create, and that'll help support us as well. And you see, I tried to garnish it with some parsley flakes. You don't have to do that. So subscribe, hit that like button, share it, follow us on Instagram at Foodfriends. Thanks for watching.